Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm here in my den because I don't know, and I actually just finished decorating this earlier today. I think it looks pretty good. I have no idea who's in my den. It's a pretty weird glitch. I'm actually gonna put this right here. Okay. Yeah, so I actually want to do a giveaway. Oh my gosh, okay, yeah. I will do this rare bow and arrow for the giveaway. If you wanna enter, just comment down your username. And yes, okay. So yeah. Someone's still at me then. If I like refresh. Oh, okay. Ow, that hurt. I just banged my leg on the desk. Add how much? Okay, yeah, I don't know. I just saw this person's comment. Okay, give away my den, no scam. I'm kind. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, you're new. What you giving away? Hi, you have a act. Wow, that's actually so creative. Like, put a trade me and I'll trade. Oh, okay, scammer caught. What you giving away? What are you giving away? What you giving away? Cause I am a smart person. It goes. Show it first. What? Okay, no guys, I'm not blaming this person because it might not be a scam. Like, people are just gonna assume stuff when they didn't even do anything. Oh, a gold spike. Yes, I will trade my freedom glove. I feel like this is a scam. Right? Yes, it's supposed to be a giveaway, not a trust. Oh, okay, scammer caught. Oh my gosh. OMG. Scammer caught. Okay, I just reported that. I just recorded that. Yes, I'm so proud of myself for recording that. Yes, I don't know, guys. I just feel so evil now. Yes, oh, here they are. Okay. Yo. No. Don't leave. Yo. Okay. Person, don't leave. I just caught you in a scam. Like, why you running away? Why are you running away? I just caught you. I just caught you. Young Wolf. I recorded that. I recorded that scam. Okay, I just feel so proud of myself recording that scam because I don't know. I'm sorry. Oh, yeah, right. I'm never rare. Wow, I have to be. Young Wolf. I just recorded that. Scamming is bad. I'm not saying you could like report her. You can. Oh my god. Okay, I can't deal with this right now. Literally my grandma is singing with a microphone. I have no rares. That doesn't mean you can scam though. Like, oh, scammer caught. That's it. Okay. Yes, that's a good excuse. No, I'm blocking. I'm sorry, but scamming. I'm sorry. Okay. To get, I'm sorry, but I have no choice but to post this. I'm sorry, but I have no choice to post this. You just scammed. You just scammed. Like, not cool. Like, report him. He's a scam. Him? Oh, I'm sorry. Him? I don't think it's a him. I think she's she. Oh my gosh, the singing is very cringing me out. Okay, I'm gonna have to talk. I'm gonna have to talk louder then. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Well. Okay. Well, okay. You are reported. I'm sorry, but we have no choice to report you. How long have you been playing AJ? Who are you talking to? Wow, my spelling is on top right now. Not you. Who? I'm sorry. I have proof. She did it. I report. I did. XD. Okay. Okay, guys, they're saying I scammed. Watch this via my via is flower fawn lily AJ. Okay, guys, watch me. Sorry, I already have those. Okay, I'm sorry, guys, if I'm quiet. Yeah. Okay, well, both just don't scam again. I am giving you a chance. Like, guys, I'm trying to be nice, okay? Okay, well, just don't scam again. I'm giving you a chance. Put something, okay. Put something on check. Okay. Snowy. Yes. Put bad on check. Guys, I am giving this person a rare. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Your first rare. Sorry, I already reported him. Yes, your first rare. Enjoy your rare glove. Enjoy your rare glove. Okay, guys, I just feel nice today, so I'm giving this person a chance, but I'm still gonna block them because they scammed. Yes. Okay. Have a nice day. Nice day. Just don't scam XD. Okay. So, moving on. Okay. I'm actually gonna do a giveaway. My giveaway will be a rare bow and arrow, since I have 2 of them. No, wait, rare bow. Okay, rare bow. Yes, I have 2 of them, so I'll be giving away one. Yeah, so to win one of them, just comment down your username, subscribe, and like this video. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed again. And I will see y'all next time. Peace out.